we did our base runs. We're starting out with 80.41 horsepower and 103.54 foot-pounds of torque. Now let's get it in the shop and let's build a Screaming Eagle monster!
It's gonna be a monster. It's gonna dominate. Precious. You're gonna burn the summer tires. Oh, my precious.
Another thing the 128 kit comes with, which is kind of neat for the oil-cooled bikes, is actually it replaces your oil cooler and it has a fan. So you're constantly getting air blown onto your oil cooler, which is in turn cooling off your oil, which in turn is running a cooler engine. So, the moment we've all been waiting for, we started with 80.41 horsepower. Now we're up to 137.33. And then torque, we started with 103.54 and we're up to 144.04 foot-pounds of torque. I think he's gonna feel that. Very good gain. Yeah.